Hi friends, welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see if someone's spying on you on your iPhone. Yeah, it's if someone is tracking your iPhone. First, go into settings and then into notifications. Here, find something like tracking notifications. Yep, that's what it's called. I'll find it now. There, it's turned off. That's bad. Make sure if it's turned off on your phone to turn it on. It shows if any Apple AirTags are nearby. Yes, unregistered devices that track your location. So if you have this feature on, for instance, if one is found, you'll get a notification. If someone, well, planted an AirTag on you, yeah, if there's one near you and it's unregistered, you'll get a notification. That means someone can either intentionally or unintentionally track your approximate location. That, of course, is, well, an unpleasant thing. So definitely enable this detection. If it's off, that's bad. Turn it on and keep an eye on your phone. You might just suddenly get notified. That's it for now. This was Valor. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.